This is an introductory video for Breaking Through Values Formation Program. Ginawa namin tong video na to para maintindihan ng mga taong gagamit ng material kung ano ang laman ng programa na ito. Explain ko rin dito kung paano nyo mamamaximize ang benefit sa kumpanya ninyo. Breaking Through Values Formation Program is the culmination of all the values lesson Similya sa Kinabuhi has been developing since its conception in 2005. Similya was created in response to a request from a large fruit company sa Mindanao na merong 5,000 employees. Noong nakita nung country head nila how the values formation program of Moraya Farms had transformed the lives of its people who are natives in Bukidnon, gusto niya na makita yung same transformation na mangyari sa lahat ng community tinutulungan nila. And they were all over Mindanao. Despite being uneducated and untrained, the people of Moraya Farms were able to meet the standards ng lettuce ng kailangan ng McDonald's. And in 2002 to 2010, Moraya Farm was supplying the lettuce need of McDonald's for the country. This program is based on the idea that creating wealth is not about money and riches, but the person's willingness to work hard and have the right attitude towards life, especially money. In the Bible, the Hebrew word for wealth is chayil, which means physical strength and noble character. It implies that even if you do not have money, you can create wealth by using your strength to work in order to make money. However, if you want to grow money, you must develop the right character. Because of these ideas, Breaking Through is composed of four main topics with lessons arranged in series. So yung unang series is called the Work Series, followed by Character Series, and then yung pangatlo is called the Money Series, and then finally, the Life Series. Each topic or series have 12 lessons, one for each month of the year. Ang suggestion sana namin is work be discussed in week 1, and then character on week 2, money on week 3, and on week 4, live series naman. But this will only make up for 48 weeks. Because the modern calendar is designed with 52 weeks in a year, we had to make provisions for 4 extra weeks. Kaya there are 4 special lessons intended to be shared during the months na nagkakaroon ng extra na linggo. You will find that if you look at the calendar, gumagalaw itong mga buwan na to na merong 5 linggo. At Noraya Farms, and with those who have embraced the program in the past, the values formation sessions are held during office hours and everyone is required to attend. This tells people that the program is part of their development because they get paid for attending the lesson. So nobody can excuse himself. Often, snacks are provided to make the activity relaxed and comfortable. When an employee does not attend, that person is called out because it is a company initiative. And besides, as I said, they are paid for that 1 hour session. Now, why do we want to do it once a week? We have discovered that by engaging people in a 1 hour session once a week, we get to transform their mindset and ultimately change their attitude. We believe everyone is born with the potential to become good. However, all of us have the tendency to do bad. We believe by engaging your people once a week, we get a chance to brainwash them to doing good. I hope you excuse the term brainwashing, but I was thinking of an idea to explain kung anong gusto natin gawin. Yun lang talaga naisip kong word. Gusto natin makonvince sila na mas maganda ang magpakabait because marami siyang benefit sa buhay natin. If a company does this, ang tanong no, hindi ba tayo mawawala ng productive time every week for every employee? Let me share with you a story. Many years ago, when we implemented this values formation program for Unifruity, the manager of their biggest farm complained to the country manager. Sabi niya, I will be losing productive time for every employee, 1 hour for every week. Meron siyang 4,000 empleyado. Sabi niya, can you imagine, I will lose 4,000 productive hours per week dahil sa values formation program na yan. But the country manager insisted. Sabi niya, subukan mo muna in 6 months. After 6 months, this farm manager became my biggest fan. And tuwang-tuwa siya. In-explain niya sa akin that because of the program, after 6 months, he was gaining 1 hour per person per day. So I asked him, ano hong ibig niyong sabihin? Sabi niya, in the farm, people would time in by 6 o'clock and maglalakad ng 30 minutos papunta sa area of assignment nila. And then by 2:30, kasi ang off nila is 3 o'clock, titingin sa lasarilo and they start walking to the bandy clock. And he said because of that, nawawalan siya ng 1 productive hour per person per day. But the values formation has allowed him to regain that lost 1 hour. So kaya he became our ambassador inside the company. Each lesson is 20 to 30 minutes long. And there are points to ponder at the end of each lesson so participants can share their learning and learn from others also. All in all, each session will last for an hour. Because the lessons are now in video form, the program can be implemented by departments or subgroups at a time most convenient to them. Dati kasi when we announced it in 2022, we asked companies to join a Zoom meeting. Ako ang magtuturo, tas magkakaroon ng breakout groups after. Pero yung program was limited by my availability. Ngayon, a company can do it per department. Ano ibig sabihin? Yung purchasing department gusto Friday at 4 to 5. Pwede yun. Yung logistic department gusto niya Wednesday, 8 to 9. Pwede yun. And because the videos is available to you kung kailan nyo gusto, pwede nyo i-customize yung program according to your availability. Normally, companies would bring in pastors and priests to facilitate the sessions. However, kung wala kayong pastor or pare and you like to facilitate the program on your own, we have provided a facilitator's training video so that managers and HR personnel can facilitate for their employees. Companies who decided to implement this program should view this as an investment. The leaders should go to the program as well so they know what their people are learning and can support them when needed. I have seen companies who implemented this program pero yung mga executives nila hindi sumali. And many times the values of the executives started to contradict what people are learning. So hindi siya naging effective. However, those who implemented the program as an investment saw a transformation in their business, not just their people. Breaking Through Values Formation Program is offered free of charge to anyone who wants to implement it. Ito ho ang contribution ng Similya sa Kinabuhi sa development ng mga Pilipino pati na sa bansa natin. However, if you find the program helpful and want to bless more people, you can do 2 things for us. 1, tell your friends about the program para makatulong din tayo. However, you may also want to financially support the people behind Similya sa Kinabuhi, those creating this lesson and managing the program. Para maintindihan nyo kung sino itong mga taong to, you can go to the Similya sa Kinabuhi website and there you will be able to learn more about us. If you decide to support us financially, we will make sure that we use your contribution to improve the work we do. So together we can see more Filipinos become fruitful. Maraming salamat for listening and we hope that when you decide to use the program, makatulong talaga sa tao ninyo, sa kumpanya ninyo, pati na sa community around you. May God bless all of you.